Don't get nervous on me, David.
Never do that, Bill.
I call you Sir David.
Sir David, yeah.
Hold on, I'm going to come in for a selfie with you. Alright. Right, okay, so I wanted to talk about what we mentioned before, because me and we've known each other a long time.
Right.
You have had skin irritations, haven't you?
That's right, yeah, indeed.
And just before these fittings started, David tells me what he does. So generally, when you tape the system of perimeter and leave the front free.
That's
is that right.
Yeah, yeah. So I found I was getting quite a lot of irritation on the front, which, because I have quite a light density unit, you can sometimes see the irritation through the lace. So I found that by not using lace at all, tape at all at the front.
That's tape and adhesive, yeah?
Just nothing.
So, basically from that means it's completely free at the front. It's like, like David said, it's, if he applies it with a stretch, it's going to work. But let's be honest, it's not one for a howling gale though, is it?
It's not for a howling gale. You know what, sometimes even if it does wave around a little bit,
it looks good.
Don't look that closely, because it just looks like it's natural, right?
There we go.
Of course, if it was blown right back, it would be ridiculous. But
you do that, and with your hair slightly forward, you get away with it.
It works for me, yeah, yeah. I mean, if I was to have some guys like a natural hairline sort of thing, which I think is a bit hit and miss personally.
Yeah.
So personally, it's style for me to put down a bit into sides the hairline a little bit anyway. But it's not really natural.
Well, there we go. So I can remember the irritation that I had, that David had, and it was an option. Because I can remember we were speaking about giving you a rest or something, you couldn't do it, could you? So you wore the hair system without the adhesive.
In the early days, when I started doing this, I was using the glues.
Yeah.
And I was really struggling with that. I had a real problem with that.
So there we go. So David's managed, after all this years, even to leave it loose at the front.
Takes work for me, and yeah, no problems at all in this case.
Great, thank you very much. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below. And have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.